Hello, everybody. This is Salma Musa, and you are watching the Salma Musa Talks channel. I hope you've already subscribed to it. It's a very organically growing platform for things that I want to share with all of you and those out there who would like to understand. It's got different topics around which I talk something about my health, my personal choices, challenges, lessons, and my professional activities that I'm doing. Things that I have learned in the last 3 decades is what I put it out there. As the tagline says, the 3 decades gig in one space. So do please follow me. And for those who have not known about me, I'm a business growth mentor, purely execution services for growth for businesses, traditional businesses, and matured startups. I come in as a mentor who's inclusively involved. And apart from that, we do a bit, I kind of go deeper into it and take up things that kind of the business requires in specific. Growth mentoring involves every aspect of the business, but there are also clients that I work with which is focused towards just marketing of it or the sales of it. So each department, if there's a specific department that they need help in, I come in as a top level heading that department. So in today's topic, I'm going to talk about one of the services that I do, which is in outsourced service, chief marketing officer. Just like an outsourced CA or a financial officer, I come in as a chief marketing officer who gets involved in the company in a very inclusive manner in the basis of driving your revenues, working with other team members. So, we're going to talk a little bit about that service in future videos. But at this point of time, I would just like to, in this video, address about how critical marketing is for a business. And normally it's most underrated department, right? It's absolutely not seen as a key part. People talk a lot about it. Yes, marketing is the thing that people love talking about it. But when it comes to actually executing it, and working towards building a strong marketing strategy or executing the strategies or even creating a strong presence through the various marketing initiatives is not given true value in the company, right? Most often it goes on the ability of the founders. If the founders are strong in marketing, they love marketing, they are, an extrovert, they enjoy speaking about it, they are more approachable, they seem to easily go with it. But if you are an introvert or you're a tech focused founder or you are a family business takeover person or a traditional business who has been getting businesses through references and word of mouth, you find marketing as not so critical, but you're very, very far away from the truth. No matter what category you fall in, marketing in today's world plays a key role, very, very important role. So, what is a marketing head's responsibility? One of the top most responsibilities of a marketing head is to drive revenues. That is in a simple straightforward put, right? Though people say marketing is about building brand positioning or the noise or the voice of the company, face of the company, let's keep all those jargons aside. A marketing head is responsible of driving revenues into the company. Now, how they do it is a very involved approach of taking this forward. One of the key things that they work with is that they work with other departments, especially the data. Marketing is not just about what I feel as a company head, marketing head to go about and approach it. It is about what is needed for the company, which comes out from the intelligence, business intelligence, which is driven through data. That is one of the first responsibility and the most important. And this is not the beginning of it all. data analysis, data cleaning, data securing, understanding every aspects of data for the business. When I say data, it just means client details. It also means team members' output abilities, the sales teams lead to closure inputs, the scripts, the communications, the repeat customers, the deliverable aspects of it, the feedback. Every aspect of the business is collected in the form of data, and that data is absolutely, it's taken and processed in such a manner where there is important key aspects taken out of it. And using that intelligence, a marketing head is responsible of coming up with strategies that will go about and bring revenues. The second important thing is research. Again, very rarely spoken about. Most often marketing heads go about and just go with, even when companies choose marketing heads, they think of picking up people who come from the domain, from the sector, from the industry. That's absolutely not, not the critical part. You might be lucky if you get somebody from the domain who is also good at marketing, but marketing needs a very specific set of skill sets, which doesn't have to not necessarily be from the same domain, but they should have the ability to do the research, have a team within the company which researches the information, brings the information to them, and they're able to process it accordingly and go about and initiate strategies. The third thing a marketing head needs to be absolutely aware of is execution skills. A marketing is all about doing things which needs to be measured with tangible results. Again, gone are those days where you just see the likes and the followers and the number of communication on social media, and you get, oh, we've got results. This is not social media marketing. I'm talking about an detailed marketing head who will be offline, online, positioning founders, positioning companies, everything, right? It comes down to a complete marketing package. And in that, the only measure is the increase of leads, increase of revenues, increase of sale closures, and increase of recall of brand. Everything's got tangible outcomes, hence your activities also need to be measured in a tangible form, and hence an execution focused person would only be the best possible profile for a marketing person. And the last but not the least, someone who's able to stitch the different departments in a company in a manner that comes together as a unit to be presented to the world, to the end users, to the customers, to the people in question, and seen as a unit that is worth investing or trusting to adopt their offerings. That is the most important part of it. So there's someone who comes in as the connecting dot, the bridge between the leadership and the management team, the bridge between the customers and the company, bridge between the service providers or the partners between each other. That is the key response. And if this requires working from processes, SOPs, and working within the system to rectify gaps which exist over there, all this is the responsibility of the marketing head. And that's what I do as as a outsourced CMO. But this video was purely to tell you, if you are one of the marketing heads, or if you have taken the role of a CMO, or if you believe that you need a marketing intelligence in your company, you'll have to look at these things. So I'm open for comments, questions, clarifications. Drop in a message on this YouTube channel as comments, or you can reach me anywhere. I'm all over the place on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, all these places. Look forward to having many more conversations like this. Do tune in